Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're on Pacific Explorer. We just hit New Mia, so an exciting vlog this week. Yeah, so welcome guys. We just hit New Mia. Spent the last 3 days at sea. Had a bit of a sinus infection, so I haven't done any vlogging. But yeah, this week we're in the Pacific Ocean and we're doing 10 days around the Vanuatu, New Caledonia Islands. So sit back, relax and enjoy. I'll just do a bit of video every day when we arrive at different ports. Later. Whoosh. Hi guys, yeah, well New Mia's done with. We're just sailing out now, having a little sail away party. Look at the camera, Timothy. A little sail away party. My review on New Mia is it's a little bit boring. Not a lot to do. Mainly just for beaches and relaxation. But yeah. Okay, so tomorrow we're missing Lifu because of the cyclone Trebly or whatever it's called, some cyclone. So yeah, Vila. Hey guys, okay, well we're in Vila today, so I'm just going to head off, catch a water taxi into town and yeah, have a little look around. Been to Vila a few times before. It's interesting. We're just going to go into town and have a look around, do a little bit of shopping and then yeah, B-roll. last night of the cruise. Just about to head on, well, heading back towards Sydney. It's been a good cruise so far. Enjoyed everything, enjoyed the food, enjoyed the entertainment, enjoyed the friends we've made. Guys, I'm back home now. Finally, been super busy with organising everything and trying to get life back into order. So yeah, I've been editing. I just wanted to add a little extra before I finish this video off for the SeaDog Diaries. The Pacific Explorer, I got a little fact sheet here. She was built in Italy in 1997. She's registered in London. Gross tonnage is 77,441. The length overall is 261.3 meters. The berth is 32.25 meters. Maximum passenger capacity is 2,334. Cruising speed is 21 knots. So yeah, there's little facts about the ship. The renovation from Princess, it used to be the Princess Dawn. The renovation from Princess Dawn to P&O Pacific Explorer is good. They've got a lot of good areas. They've revamped. I didn't go on it when I was a Dawn, I don't think. But yeah, there's a lot of areas that have been redone and it looks really good, but you can still tell the Princess, like the atrium, still has a lot of the Princess, like brass and chrome tiling and, you know, just general, you look at it and you can tell it's a Princess ship. But yeah, the crew and staff are all pretty friendly, but that changes, you know, all the time. I've been on the same boat 3 times and each cruise has been completely different. What else? What else can I finish this video off with? Yeah, I think that's just about all. She's a good ship. I highly recommend it. So yeah, all my links are in the description below, guys, if you want to follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Attitude of gratitude, and yeah, stay beautiful. Ciao.